Are you struggling with how to bring your NEWSELA articles to life? Don't worry, I got your back. I'm going to tell you today about how you can use NEWSELA in Google Classroom to engage your learners and bring those articles you found to life. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, this is SHTBCB Boutique back again with another video, and today we're going to talk about how you can create your very own NEWSELA account in order to find very engaging articles in order to bring your classroom to life. And not only can you find engaging articles, you can sync them to Google Classroom. So if you're living in a virtual world like I'm living in a virtual world with my students, then this is the video for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so sign into your NEWSELA account, and once you sign in, your screen should look quite similar to mine. So in the search bar, type in your topic. For today's purpose, we'll use COVID-19 since it's trending. Find an article that you want to use. I just chose the first one. So now let's sync it to Google Classroom. Hit the share. It should be the curved arrow. Now I'm just showing you the other things you can do. Click on Google Classroom from NEWSELA, and then your screen should look like this. Now click Choose Classroom, choose the class you would like to use, and then choose your action. For today, we're going to create an assignment. Now hit Go. Now for your assignment, you'll have to come up with your title. Come up with the title of your assignment. And I just basically said NEWSELA article assignment. And then where it says instructions, this is where you put your directions for this assignment. So when your students go into Google Classroom, they would read the directions for this particular assignment so that they know what it is that you expect for them to do. Now on the right hand side, it says due. Choose your due date, and you can even say the time that it needs to be due by. And then hit assign. All right, it says you have posted your class. Now let's check it out. And it should be the very first one on the top. Click on it. Now click on instructions, see if it's there, and it sure is. Click on your assignment just so you can see what your students will be seeing. Now for this way, this is just if you want your students to read the assignment. Now let's go to search again. And this time I'm going to show you how to choose an assignment and then have the questions. I'm going to choose another COVID-19 article. This go around, we're going to click on the right hand side, the blue assign button. Now things look a little different. You'll see it says classes. Make sure the correct class is there. And then where it says instructions, write your instructions for this particular assignment. What do you want your students to do? What is the outcome? What is the purpose of them reading this assignment? If you would like to adjust the Lexile level, you can do it there. Choose your class. Hit the blue button for assign, and then you'll see that it is there. Face mask with withdraws. Now hit that curved arrow and then hit Google Classroom for share assignment. Once again, share to, choose the correct class. The action is we're going to create an assignment for the purpose of this video, and hit the black go button. Yet again, write down the title of this assignment. Now this is if we want students to have questions to answer. This would be the steps that we would use. And then where it says instructions, write your directions. Be very explicit in your instructions. What is the outcome? What do you want your students to get out of reading this article? Choose your due date. And hit the black assign button. Now let's view our assignment. It should be the very top one. Hit instructions in order to view the assignment. Click on the assignment so you can see it from the student's vantage point. and this is how it will look. And so basically I showed you two things: how to assign an article in Google Classroom where they just read the article, and the second way I showed you is how you can assign an article where students can actually answer the questions that are part of the NEWSELA platform. So that's basically it, how to sync, your NEWSELA to your Google Classroom. Now, if you still need help after this video, let me tell you about a really great website. It's called Teachers Pay Teachers. I actually have an account on it where I sell resources for quite cheap. So things like setting up and adding assignments to Google Classroom, invite students to Google Classroom via email, how to add NEWSELA articles or commonlit articles to your Google Classroom, how to do nearpod and sync it to Google Classroom. So if you need more one-on-one help, definitely go to my Teachers Pay Teachers account and see if there's a resource for you. I have it linked below in the description box. If you click on the link for my Teachers Pay Teachers account, it'll take you directly to my account and you can find a resource that fits whatever it is that you're looking for. And I hope your school year goes extremely well in a virtual world. Once again, this is She Has to Be Chic Boutique signing out. Bye-bye. If you like the content in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to all of your wonderful teacher friends.